Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has categorized BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 137.38% since we initially recommended purchasing BigBear.ai Holdings just 11 days ago. This translates to an average return of 12.49% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. For any potential pullback, support now exists at the ceiling of the recently broken trend at $7.36, a level that may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $9.89 may serve as the next possible peak level, creating a resistance that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 216.92% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 56.41% and 138.46%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 52.22% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between negative 63.62% and 0.0796%. This translates to a price range from $3.56 to $9.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Volatile ride for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Thursday, moving between $9.08 and $10.35. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 0.411% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025. It rose from $9.74 to $9.78. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 13.99%, reaching a low of $9.08 and a high of $10.35. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 137.38% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 27 million shares, with a total of 125 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.22 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume while prices rise can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $10.35, and the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price sits 5.51%, or 57 cents, below the 52-week high, and 39.33%, or $6.34, below the all-time high reached on April 6, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. Shares of BigBear.ai, abbreviated as BBAI, have demonstrated impressive growth, surging 21% last week alone and skyrocketing 133% since the beginning of 2025. After starting the year at approximately $4 per share, it recently surpassed $9, signifying a substantial increase in market confidence. This momentum is largely driven by the company securing significant government contracts, reinforcing its position within the competitive artificial intelligence space. BBAI stock recently hit a new 52-week high, indicating strong investor interest and potential further upside. It's noteworthy that the stock has surged 415% since the last election, leading analysts to compare it to established players like Palantir Technologies. Despite facing macroeconomic challenges, BigBear.ai continues to expand its product offerings and forge critical partnerships, which could enhance its long-term profitability. In the short term, the stock's volatility may persist as it navigates the broader artificial intelligence market landscape, influenced by external factors such as government policies and market sentiment. However, if the company maintains its trajectory and solidifies its foothold in artificial intelligence infrastructure, it could see sustained investor interest, potentially driving prices upward in the long run. Overall, BBAI's current growth trends could serve as an attractive proposition for investors looking for exposure in the burgeoning artificial intelligence sector. Analyst ratings provide valuable insights into stock performance. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy grade to BBAI, accompanied by a hold action. Additionally, on the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright once again granted BBAI a buy grade, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also indicated a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected around the levels of $8.40 and $4.87. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and to date, the stock has risen by 228.19%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal emerged 23 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was noted 84 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 12 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 13 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a buy 12 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 92 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that was noted 107 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a significantly large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.27 between its high and low, which is approximately 13.99%. For the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 25.20%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's first review some important fundamental data. The price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio, is a key indicator that reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established firms can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and expose the company to potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. The consensus estimate from analysts stands at -5 cents per share. It's essential to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $9.74. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from various analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January 2025, Carolyn Blankenship executed an insider sale of 66,153 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January 2025, Paul E. Fulcino made an insider purchase of 11,338 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January 2025, Pamela Joyce Braden conducted an insider purchase of 21,542 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January 2025, Peter Anthony Canedo Jr. executed an insider purchase of 25,850 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC performed an insider purchase of 43,878 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 89.015. In total, insiders acquired 5,314,143 shares, while selling 96,765,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.50, reflecting a decline of 2.86%. This stock experiences significant daily price fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, further amplifying this risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to label it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it would be prudent to consider it a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 14th, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by approximately 4 cents and begin trading at $9.74. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Please refrain from basing your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.